Brief overview of the 3-day AVIXA training. So during the next 3 days, we're going to concentrate on the installation aspect of the project process. Our projects go from needs analysis to conceptual design, and as soon as it gets turned over to a construction or to something we can actually touch, this is where we're going to take off in installation. The first day we come in and we talk about a lot about process and the preparation considerations. Then day 2 we actually get into soldering and terminating cables and connectors. We talk some more about theory, about audio theory and video theory, and the things associated with audio and video installation. And then day 3, we're going to talk about building racks and the concepts behind signal separation and electrical separation. And then we're going to actually build a rack and look at the different things involved, the cable lacing and how to construct good pathways for our signals in the rack, trying to cross high voltage with low voltage at 90 degrees, etc., etc. This class is good for just about everybody in the AV industry, but a big concentration on those involved in the construction portion, in that second part. I often tell project managers this is a great way to bone up on your monitoring and execution skills, figuring exactly what is going on in the installation process so you can set your milestones. Some designers actually take this class so they can grasp a better understanding of what it actually takes to design better, to specify parts and equipment better. And of course, this is for installers. If you want to beef up your knowledge and skill of installation, get some better information on concepts and theories behind the installation, and really figure out the why of what makes things work. The next steps after completing this course would be to sign up for Install 2 and complete the full cycle of our installation class. After you sign up for Install 2, there's a CTSI prep course. Some technicians choose to take that if they just want that last minute check before their test, and after that would be signing up and taking your CTSI test and passing it with a crushing score, and then joining our CTSI Certified Technical Specialist of Installation Club. This course is taking place in Mesa, Arizona at Level 3 Audiovisual, and the facility is great. As you can see behind me, I was actually setting up thinking this is one of the nicest training facilities I've seen in a long time. It is built by AV people for AV people, so they really have that needs analysis locked down. Everything's at my fingertips. I have perfect examples of screen size and audio coverage layout, and there's plenty of power and networking around. So anything I could ask for as a trainer, I have in this facility. L3 and AVIXA are trying to bring more education to the Southwest, to this region. So hopefully this word gets out and we get a lot more classes down here and get more AV education and knowledge spread out throughout the Southwest.